This point is located where your collarbone meets your sternum. To locate this acupressure point, find your collarbone and then find the spot just underneath it. Now move towards the center of your chest till you meet your sternum. You'll be in a little pocket with the sternum on one side and the collarbone up top. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the exact spot. Activate this point by rubbing the area quickly 5 times, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Now find and activate this point on the other side of your chest.